To select stitches on the Bernina 480, it's just a touch of a button. It is so simple. These stitches are kind of preset, but with a turn of a knob, you can make them longer, you can make them wider, you can find all the utility stitches by swiping up in this first area. You can open up the stitch area by touching this little arrow to the side, and it makes all the stitches show up more on a screen. If you touch here for decorative stitches in each of these folders, once again, lots of stitches. I always encourage everybody to stitch out the decorative stitches. Alphabets, buttonholes. Don't forget, this little block right here is actually the quilt menu, so your quilt stitches hang out. So what are all the different stitches, you might say, that look like straight stitches? Touch the question mark and ask the machine. So this is a quilting straight stitch. It is preset with a longer setting. So if we take a look at what the longer setting is, once I select it here, I do see that that is 3 millimeters long. Different settings for different stitches. That stitch is the hand look quilt stitch with the necessary setup for clear thread in your needle. You can adjust it so it makes it look like you stitched by hand. So where all the side little tabs are, that is how you can pick all your stitches. Now notice, just because I'm in the quilting menu or looking at decorative stitches, whatever stitch is showing in the stitch area, that's the one it's going to stitch. So it won't actually choose the stitch or stitch the stitch unless you choose it and it shows up. I do have people ask me, well, why doesn't clear take me back to a straight stitch? Well, the machine doesn't know that that's where you're going. Keep that in mind. It cannot read your mind. Clear would clear out any settings. So if you'd made it really small or changed the needle position, clear would clear out settings for that stitch. So if you want to go back to a straight stitch, touch the utility stitch tab and touch stitch number 1.